cheapest carburetors I could get for dual Weber imitation Webers. So I bought these on eBay. They were $360 something plus like 50 something shipping. So basically it was like $420 shipped to my door. Okay. First thing I want to say, the manifolds actually better than I thought. I was going to expect them to be super rough, and on the inside they're really good for the price that I paid. They have a little gusset here, support the machine edges. They didn't round any edges on anything here, like that's a little sharp, not a big deal, but looks like it will fit well. This right here is kind of a sharp bend to it compared to like a CB or so if you look at that. This is not an all-out performance machine, so if it was like a big motor, that might be a problem. Like when you go to look down through it, it's kind of hard to see some of the opening compared to like that one. See? And you see almost 80% of the bore compared to this, so you might get it 75. Alright, so the manifolds look nice. Alright, this one, they have crossbar linkage. This is a twist pull, kind of like the CSP, SCAT, vintage speeds style linkage. They came with the rubber grommets. It has air filters. There's steel. It does have velocity stacks for 40s. These are 40 IDF knockoffs. If you buy real 40 IDFs, they do not come with velocity stacks. Alright, rubber, which is always been weird. But usually, these, I can't tell if these things are aluminum or if they're steel. They might be steel chrome plated. I think they might be. But it has velocity stacks. Alright, has a full set of those. It came with something I hope I don't have to use. Well, here's the nuts and bolts, gaskets. We'll be definitely using that stuff. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Anyway, it came with a whole gasket. It came with an entire carburetor gasket kit somewhere, and I've lost it already. Oh, there it is. Is that it? Nope. It's somewhere in here, guys. I'll just take my word for it. But it came with like a whole gasket set with the cylinder pump and the diaphragm. There we go. I hope I don't have to use any of that, but it's kind of nice, I guess, if you do have an issue that, you know, like if a needle and seat's sticking, you got one right there, right? That's $20-something, $50, you buy a good one. So let's actually look at the carburetors. This will be the first time I see the carburetors. Weber knockoffs. Everybody seems to make them nowadays, right? Doesn't say the size of the vent, but I'm pretty sure it'd be 28. That's what a Weber would be. Not too bad looking. I'm going to take them apart and clean them out. Everything's there. This should push the little stalker down the road decent. So we'll take those apart and clean them out. Let's see if the manifold will fit on an engine. Here's my engine. Might need a little clearancing on my engine tints. Just a little bit right here. Not the end of the world, not that big a deal. Alright. That might be just my engine tins, might not be. But it goes on the studs. Looks like I'm going to have plenty of studs sticking out because it's not even down all the way. And we'll have dual carbs. For the price, this is probably the cheapest dual Weber style kit you can get. I don't remember the seller. Sorry, you know, they all change, but the seller also sold 48 40F4s, I think they also sold the knockoff ICTs. They also sold fuel injected sets, kits, but you gotta have a computer and all that. And I did think about buying that, but I didn't do it. So anyways, boys and girls, if you're looking for Chinese Webers, eBay has them. I'm gonna clean these out, put them on the stocker over there, and we'll see how good they work. So far, the manifolds look nice. The linkage, we'll see how that works, and we'll get this little thing going here. Trying to do this on the cheap, you know, not spending a bunch of money. That's how everybody wants to do it, right? Spend no money and have all the stuff. So anyways, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe.